Hey, I'm chilling with my homie. His name is 70x376. Hey, this man's a goat. Hey, this man's a goat. Hey, he will clap you. He'll clap you every day of the night. Yeah, 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 yeah. So I hate playing fine. Oh my god, just hurry up and get on, please. Thank you. I was probably talking to someone, but okay. Just about to see. Oh my god, this man already got 237 miles. This is tough. Despacito. You're kidding me. Despacito, Lones You pass sometimes? Please pass. I'm wide. I've never been so wide in my life. I want to get some ball. Please. Yes, I wanted to get some points. Thank you. Because look how wet I am. I'm so cash, bro. You can never turn me again to cash. Gotti. Lottie. Flotty. I think I have to change my name to Lottie 616. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Come back in and knock the bulls with my head in and we are. Yeah, later. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna talk about Okay. Alright. Can I use Ronald? Okay, be ready. Oh my god. What? That, oh my god, bro, we are losing. Wait, never mind, we are winning, but like this bullet. Okay, of course, okay, so my friend's a boy, he's dressed up as a girl. I don't know why, but yeah, I sound like I'm 11, but I'm actually 13, so I can post these videos. Oh my god, my heart is steadying. Oh my god, please make that. Oh my god, you are legit so... This girl is legit goated. I mean, boy. No, like, for real, that is actually boy. Dude, I've never been so wide in my entire life. Dude, I'm breaking this mobile player's ankles. Let me score last, bro. Nigga, what you mean sold? You're just, Please miss. No, he's not spending 85. you because you cannot. Bro, what clip? You didn't suck, bro. What clip? You didn't even get a clip. You didn't even. Get the ball. Let's go. Ankle breaker. Let's go. Get the hell off my court, nigga. You ass. Gotta get you with that Ultra Deluxe double team. Oh my god, I'm so close to freaking superstar. What the hell? I'm so close to. Okay, we're not even talking about that. Oh! Bro! I don't want to play with you. Dude, I'm not playing with you, bro. You are. Oh, and you point guard? Nope, I'm dipping. Oh my god. I'm not playing with you. I even had a shield and everything. I don't care. I'm not playing with you. You just, no, I don't want to play with trash kids. Dude, this is so annoying. Bro. Bro, I can't even close the tab. Close the tab. Oh, damn it. Close the tab. Now, damn it. What? It's going red. I don't care if I love. Even though I got no shields, but no, I'm not gonna play with a kid that is legit ass. No, bro. I'm not about to play with you. You are doo-doo water. Stop following me. I'm not playing with none of them. You think you're the only freaking superstar. Stop. Not the only superstar.
Got down now, feeling like that. I can't listen to a word you just said. Broken hearts all on me, they're stuck in my chest. And it's all for you. Woke up, got down now, feeling like that. I can't listen to a word you just said. Broken hearts all on me.
So yeah, you know. So, yeah.
And it's all for you.
I think it's on a 16 run streak. Thanks for the card. Well, it's actually not a card, it's a go card. But, it's called a go card, but Rockman, can you stop following me? I'm not about to play with you. What the hell was that? Like if you see me playing with my friend. Alright, I'm in the video here. Peace, guys.